a relic of a bygone era. Sharp talons, powerful beaks, colorful feathers. These are the last living dinosaurs on planet Earth. Birds are feathered theropod dinosaurs and are descendants of the primitive avians which first appeared about 160 million years ago. According to DNA evidence, modern birds evolved in the Middle to Late Cretaceous period and diversified dramatically around the time of the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction. Many social aspects pass on knowledge across generations, which is considered a form of culture. Birds are social, communicating with visual signals, calls and songs, and participating in such behaviors as cooperative breeding and hunting, flocking, and mobbing of predators. The vast majority of bird species are socially monogamous, usually for one breeding season at a time, sometimes for years, and rarely for life. Most birds have an extended period of parental care after hatching. About 120 species have become extinct due to human activity since the 17th century, and hundreds more before then. Human activity threatens about 1,200 bird species with extinction, though efforts are underway to protect them. From the frozen wastes of Antarctica to the sprawling Amazon jungle, birds truly have taken roost.